My name is Colin Nazarchuk, and I'm a kinesiology student at the University of Regina, majoring in human kinetics. I was fortunate enough to complete my fieldwork placement at ATHX Sports Performance in Edmonton, Alberta, where I was an intern strength and conditioning coach.
ATHX Sports Performance is an industry-leading athletic performance center which builds athletes through science and innovation. ATHX specializes in treatment, training, injury management, nutrition, and mental coaching. The role that I had as a practicum student in ATHX has been very unique. I have been fortunate to use high-tech equipment such as Kaiser Fitness, Proteus 3D machine, Gravity Box, Fit Lights, jump mat training, Normatec, and Game Ready.
As of 2022, ATHX has created a U13, U15 hybrid, U15, and U18 baseball academy designed to provide a place where youth athletes can train throughout their off-season. As a result, these athletes have more time devoted to getting stronger, more powerful, faster, and more mobile in the gym with the strength coach. I knew this is where my special project was going to be focused on, as my background is high-level baseball. My special project is based on a style of training called Triphasic strength training. For those who may be unfamiliar with triphasic training, the method of training incorporates specified rep tempos, focusing on a certain phase of movement or a certain type of muscle contraction.
At the beginning of my project, I gathered each baseball athlete's 3-rep max in the trap bar deadlift, barbell bench press, and barbell back squat. This allowed me to see their 3-rep maxes before implementing the triphasic training method. I inputted this data on an Excel spreadsheet as I will be constantly referring to their 3-rep max throughout their programming.
Triphasic training focuses on 3 different types of actions that muscles go through. The first is eccentric, which is the lowering of the weight. The second is isometric, which is the pausing or stopping of the weight. And lastly is concentric, which is the lifting of the actual weight.
In this barbell back squat, our primary focus was to control the eccentric portion for 5 seconds and have high intent on the way up. I always pair a heavy compound lift with an explosive movement. In this case, I chose the accentuated eccentric loading parameter, which prescribes eccentric load magnitude before performing the concentric action. After completing the 4-week eccentric block, we switched focus to the isometric phase. During these movements, we cue fast down, hit the brakes, then explode up. Kaiser accommodating resistance machines are great for teaching athletes how to move the bar at high speeds. The Kaiser runner is paired with the isometric split squat. This machine is a great way to increase linear speed and power while working on proper sprinting mechanics.
Over the last 4 months of implementing the triphasic training method into the baseball players program, I have seen on average a 70-pound increase in the barbell back squat, a 50-pound increase in the trap bar deadlift, and a 20-pound increase in the barbell bench press for each athlete. I'm amazed at how well our baseball athletes have responded to the triphasic training method, and moving forward as a strength and conditioning coach at ATHX, I will definitely be using this training method with other athletes.